Hello my YouTube friends. Today we discuss a object oriented programming in C++. Implement a circle class. Each object of class will represent a function which accepting its radius value as a float. Write function to calculate area and display it. What in program tell implement a circle class, that is we have a class named a circle, and whenever object is created, that is object is instantiated, then it will be represents function which accepting radius value as a float. That is we known that there is one function, that is constructor function, a member function, which will be initialized automatically when object is created. That is created here because here it will be tell each object of class will represent function, and that function is called as a constructor. So we required here a constructor because that constructor is initiated when object is created, and then that constructor is accept radius as a value. That means it accept radius from the user, and after accepting this radius, there is a one member function, one member function which calculate area and display it. And we have a formula for the area, pi r square, and here a pi value is entered 3.14, and r square means r into r. So that according to programming, here class named a circle, and class have two members, we know that data member and member function, and here float r and a are the two data member which are the variable for the class. And here a constructor, here a constructor named a circle. A constructor is a special member function which have defined only public section, and name of the class and constructor both are same, so that it is called as a special member function here. And that constructor is initialized when object is created automatically, and this constructor accept the radius here. And after accepting this radius, here a main function, that is program is goes to the main function, and object is created, then automatically constructor is invoked, and after constructor invoked, then x dot cal goes to the cal member function, and here a cal declaration is checked and definition is outside, and here a cal function which will be calculate area a is equal to 3.14 r into r, then display area of the circle here. That means here circle x means what? Circle is a class and x is object, and it is called as an instance of class, that is class instantiation. And each object assesses member function, and x is a object and cal is a member function, and dot operator separate the class and object member class member function and object, and it will be assessed in the main function by class member function. So how it is executed, see here practically. Here we will be seeing a C++ programming. Here same thing, here a constructor which is called as a class name, and constructor both are same, and this constructor is invoked here, that is program is initialized from here circle x, where circle is a class and x is a object, it is called as an instance of class. And when object is created automatically, this constructor function is invoked, that means it accepts radius from the user. Then after invoking this constructor, then x.cal, that is this is goes to the this member function, and here it will be calculate area of circle by 3.14 r into r, then area is displayed here, and after that program is completed. How it is executed, see here, I compile it, then run it. That means constructor is invoked which will be accept radius from the user. Suppose I will be enter radius 2.1, then member function cal display area of the circle. I hope you will be understand calculating area of the circle using the OOPS method. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, then share to your friend, subscribe my channel for new notification, and write comment for queries. I read it and solve surely. Thank you. Nice day.